Slide 1, Introduction, Hook. AI is taking over conversations, industries, the world. But let me ask you, do you know how to use it? In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools you can start today. No coding needed, no experience required. Bold text, fast cuts, upbeat music. Slide 2, Why AI Matters. By 2030, over 80% of jobs will be transformed by AI. Some people will use AI to level up. Others will be replaced. Which side will you be on? Infographics, futuristic visuals, job charts. Slide 3, Tool F1 ChatGPT. Tool F1 ChatGPT AI that can write essays, emails, scripts, code, even poems. Use it to brainstorm ideas, draft reports, automate writing tasks. Sign up for free at openai.com. Screen recordings of ChatGPT in action. Slide 4, Tool number 2, Canva AI. Tool number 2, Canva AI design like a pro, no design skills needed. Use it to create social media posts, make logos, generate stunning visuals, perfect for content creators and marketers. Examples of Canva AI features. Slide 5, Tool number 3, Midjourney DALL-E. Tool number 3, Midjourney DALL-E, text-to-image AI tools. You type a prompt. It creates original artwork, perfect for artists, designers, storytellers. Examples of AI-generated images. Slide 6, Tool number 4, Notion AI. Tool number 4, Notion AI, your AI assistant for productivity. Use it to summarize notes, write meeting summaries, generate to-do lists, great for students and freelancers. Demo of Notion AI features. Slide 7, Tool number 5, Google Colab. Tool number 5, Google Colab. Want to get deeper into coding? Google Colab lets you run Python code in the cloud access GPUs for free, build AI models without setup. A must-have for aspiring AI developers. Colab interface demo, code snippets. Slide 8, Final Message Plus. CTA. Listen up, these tools are free, they're powerful, but they won't work for you unless you start using them. Smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and comment, "I'm learning AI," so I can cheer you on. The AI future is now. Will you watch or lead?